Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Uh, hey, Malaysia, and Avery with the cute face, and the killer to be, and Sydney Carter. Hey, Cookie. Hey, Dolly. Hi, Amaru. Hey, Ken Baby. Hi, Kamir. Hey, Kenneth. And Mackenzie. And Kaylin. Kaylin, I miss you, girl. Hey, who else? Hey, Naira. Madam Talk a Lot, Mouth Almighty, Tongue Everlasting. Hi, Jamil. Hey, Aiden. Hi, Colin Pollen. Hey, my Sydney. Cardi. Everybody, Cardi is Alicia. Hey, Alicia. Hi, Pies. Hey, Kara. Hi, my Noe. That's my Noe. Hey, Noah. Today, guys, we are going to read. Listening to and comprehending spoken and written words are essential aspects of learning. Children progress from understanding simple spoken words and phrases to more complex and detailed information. Their understanding of oral and written story undergoes a similar development. Children, it's called, the title of the book is Little Homebird, and it is written by Joe Empson. And I usually ask the children, if it's written by Joe Empson, then who is he? What is his job? So guys, what is his job? If Joe Empson wrote the story, what is his job? Good job. He is the author. Who draws the story? Who draws the pictures about the story? Good job, guys. The illustrator. Let's get started. Move my chair over. Little Bird loved his home. Each day, he sat on his favorite branch. He ate his favorite food. He listened to his favorite music. And he looked out over his favorite view. Oh, thought the little bird, home. But one day, the wind blew cold and the leaves started to fall. Little Bird's big brother wrapped his wing around him. Little Bird, he said, did you know a home can be here or there? It may be near or far, big or small, or even hot or cold. And sometimes you can have two homes, just like us. It's time to fly south to our winter home, where the food is plenty and the wind's breath is warm. Little Bird felt sad at the thought of leaving his home. He would miss sitting on his favorite branch, eating his favorite food, listening to his favorite music, and looking out over his favorite view. But then he had a good idea. He would take all his favorite things with him. Then, wherever he was, it would always feel like home. So Little Bird decided he's going to take his favorite food and his favorite music. I don't know how much success he'll have on taking his favorite view, though. Let's find out. As the birds gathered and their long journey began, higher, higher, and higher the birds flew. And Little Bird followed with all his favorite things. Little Bird tried to follow close to the other birds' tails for fear of getting lost. But soon he had to lessen his heavy load. So with a splish and a splash, his favorite branch found a new home, much to a dog's delight. And farther south the birds flew. The strong east wind blew and swept little bird on his way. So with a whoosh and a swoosh, his favorite music found a new home, much to a shepherd's delight. And farther south, the birds flew. The clouds clapped with a thunderous roar and sent little bird into a spin. So with a rumble and a tumble, what do you guys think is going to happen? With a rumble and a tumble, what do we think? Let's find out. Let's find out. His favorite food found a new home, much to a porcupine's delight. And further south, the birds flew. After many days and many nights, the birds reached their winter home in the south, where the food was plenty and the wind's breath was warm. That looks amazing, right? All the cool, warm colors. Somebody's favorite colors in this picture. I wonder whose it is. Little Bird no longer had his favorite things. But he discovered lots of new favorite things. And soon it felt like home. So twice each year, along with many other birds, Little Bird and his family would make the long journey between two of their homes. Across oceans they flew, over mountains, and through deserts, with many adventures along the way. Little Homebird.